Hello everyone. Welcome back to Success Awaiting You. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a high-quality professional online store using Shopify, even if you are a complete beginner. By the end of this video, you will know how to create a Shopify account, how to design a professional store, how to add products, and how to make your store ready for customers. So let's get started. First, go to the official website of Shopify. Click on Start Free Trial. Now enter your email address, password, store name, then click Create Store. Shopify will ask a few questions about your business. You can answer them or simply click Skip. Congratulations! Party Popper! Your online store dashboard is now ready. Now we need to make the store look professional. Go to Online Store Themes. Shopify provides many free and paid themes. Choose a clean and professional theme such as Minimal, Dawn, Refresh. Click Customize. Here you can edit logo, colors, homepage layout, banners, product sections. A clean design builds trust and makes customers more likely to buy. Now upload your store logo. Go to Theme Settings Logo. Upload your logo and adjust the size. Also choose Brand Colors, Font Style, Button Colors. Your branding should look simple, modern, and consistent. A professional store always has strong branding. Now let's add products. Go to Products, Add Product. Enter the following details: product title, product description, high-quality product images, price, inventory quantity. Make sure your product images are clear and bright. Good images can increase sales significantly. Then click Save. Your product is now live on your store. To receive payments, go to Settings Payments. Enable payment options such as credit and debit cards, bank payments, other supported gateways. This allows customers to pay securely. Always test your payment system before launching. Go to Settings Shipping and Delivery. Here you can set free shipping, flat shipping rates, location-based shipping. Clear shipping policies help customers trust your store. More than 70% of online shoppers use mobile phones. So check your store in mobile view inside the theme editor. Make sure images load properly. Buttons are easy to click. Text is readable. A mobile-friendly store means more conversions. Go to Online Store Preferences. Disable password protection. Now your store is live and ready for customers. Congratulations! Party Popper! You now have a professional online store. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Success Awaiting You for more videos about e-commerce, dropshipping, online business success. And remember, your success is waiting for you.